get it. Every day I got enough, so I split it. Everybody solid, worldwide, now I'm trending. I'm that hot topic, touchdown, now I'm winning. How they gon' stop it? We the talk of the town. Look at me now, up in a...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally here. In today's video, we are ditching the salon. I'm going to show you guys how to achieve a natural hair silk press look without damaging your hair. I was recently scheduled to go to the salon, but I didn't have time, but I really wanted my hair to be straight. And I also just did not want to add heat to my own hair. So I'm going to show you guys how to achieve the same look. And it looks so realistic, y'all. My husband literally asked me when I finished, and I wish I had recorded it. He said, "Girl, is that your real hair? Your hair is getting so long." And I was like, I kind of told him, yeah. And he believed me for a little bit. But y'all, this unit that I'm going to be showing you all today is from Genius Wigs. This is their bob style wet and wavy unit that I feel like gives you the best of both worlds, so you can wear it straight. And at the end, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like curly. And this lace, y'all, this is their newly improved HD lace, which they are calling Crystal Lace, which is more durable and it melts so nicely into the skin. It's going to make it look like it's your real hair. I love that about it. So y'all already know I couldn't wait to try it on. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to show you guys how realistic this hairline is. This unit also comes with an elastic band that you can actually sew on, so that's pretty convenient. And if you're someone who doesn't actually want to secure your unit down, this is a great way to ensure that it's nice and secure and flush to your head. But I didn't decide to do that because I wanted to show you guys how to melt it into your skin. Now, this is what the hairline looks like. It is flawless. It looks so good. Keep in mind I have a low hairline, but if you do not have a low hairline, listen to me, I'm jealous of you. I wish I did not have a low hairline, but that's what God gave me, so that's what we're going to work with. Also, this unit comes in a number of different lengths, but I selected the bob style. Mine is actually in length 18, but they no longer offer length 18. They have length 14 and length 16 offered on the website, and those would both be great options as well. I love how blunt the ends look. It makes it look like it's actually my own hair, and the volume, y'all, it's so good. In addition, the parting space is really long, so that's also going to create a more natural look. I love that they already bleached the knots and everything. The hairline is already pre-plucked. The way this unit is constructed, it's going to make it look like it grew out of your scalp. It looks so natural. This lace is also really good for any skin tone. I'm going to show you all how I tint my lace now, and then I'm going to show you all my natural hair wig prep.
Count your blessings every night. You learn these lessons. Future's bright. Count your blessings. Don't let it slip away now. Yeah. It's easy when you know how. Yeah. Count your blessings every night. You learn these lessons. Future's bright. Count your blessings. Don't let it slip away now. Count your blessings. It's easy when you know how. Keep the future forward.
Now with this crystal lace / HD lace, because it is so thin, there's a good chance that you're going to need to do the ball cap method, especially if you have a low hairline, because the stocking cap is going to peek through. You will be able to see that line of demarcation. So I'm going to cut that off, proceed to do the ball cap method, and then proceed to install the unit. But if you don't have a low hairline like me, you may be able to get away with just doing cornrows, tinting the lace, and then putting it on. You should be okay.
You know I'm shining brighter, stuck out that motivation. I look to you, you show me that trust. It's not a win-less. We both are moving up, yeah. Living like legends, keeping it fresh. Got a good feeling, gonna make it last. Count your blessings. Oh, living my life, living my life, living my life. Count your blessings, baby. I turn it all around when I was feeling down.
Y'all, I feel like I would low-key be cute ball. Leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think. Now I'm going to try the unit on again. The ball cap method definitely makes a huge difference. Although it's a lot of work, I don't like having to do it, but that just comes with the territory of trying to get a flawless install. So we're going to do what it takes, okay?
They could see that I was with the crown, but now I'm on my grind. You're wasting all my time. Future's looking bright, cause I ain't on the side.
Count your blessings every night. You learn these lessons. Future's bright. Don't let it slip away now. Don't let it slip.
So right now I'm applying the same concealer that I used to tint the lace onto my stocking cap, and this will help to create the most scalp-like appearance possible. After completing this process, I'm going to try the unit on again, and it makes such a significant difference if I didn't have a low hairline once again. Y'all, you low hairline girls, let them know in the comment section. It's real for us when we're wearing wigs. Unless it's like a curly texture that matches our texture perfectly, these straighter textures, they look great, but we got to put in a little extra work. So now I'm going to show you all how I melt the lace. I love using the bedhead spray. If you've ever used that, you know that it dries much faster than Got2b glue spray. I like it so much more, and I feel like it doesn't create as much mess as some of the other sprays. So I like to do it section by section. After spraying on the bedhead spray, I like to pull the lace down over, and this area near my sideburns was a little too long, so I decided to cut away at that area just to make sure it was consistent with my actual sideburns. After completing this process, I'm going to add more bedhead spray as needed, press down on the lace using my blow dryer on the cool setting. I'm going to dry it, and then I'm going to proceed to move on to the next section. Once I'm finished with this process, I'll begin to add a little bit of baby hair and then work on pressing out the hair itself. But get into how well this lace melts into the skin. It's going to look so great once we're finished. I absolutely love the results.
I don't think they heard me. I don't think they heard me the first time. So I gotta say it again for them. I ain't felt this good in a minute. Own it. I ain't tryna rent it. It feel like it's third down. So I'ma slip for 'em like I'm Emmitt Smith. Yeah, I'm going in, baby. Yeah, I'm tryna win, baby. Yeah, you know the biz, baby. Yeah, you know the biz, baby. The way we win, it ain't fair. But ask, do I care? Do I care? I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. I'ma just live my life, live my life, live my life. I'ma do what I want, yeah, that's right, yeah, that's right. I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. Left, right, yeah. Aye. Bring out the conga, bring out the bass, bring out the L. I got the chase, I got the gold. All of my necklace and a smile, you can't erase. Circle over here. We like to wild out and get weird. We like to put our hands in the sky, yeah, and show the world that we here. The way we living is so rare. But ask, do I care? Do I care? I'ma just do my thing, do my thing, do my thing. I'ma just live my life, live my life, live my life. I'ma do what I want, yeah, that's right, yeah, that's right. I'ma just do my thing, do my thing.
When melting the lace, not only is it important to have a really good quality lace, but it's also really important to use an elastic band or a scarf in order to set the lace. I'd recommend getting these elastic bands. You can get them from Michael's or even Walmart. They come in handy. Now for my baby hair, I decided I didn't want really pronounced, large, obnoxious baby hair. I like really natural, subtle baby hair. So that's what I decided to go with. Now I'm going to show you all the final look, but stay tuned because I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with the side part and once you wet this gorgeous hair.
Yo solo quiero que tú seas feliz.
Really ain't no test, baby, I need this bag. Tell me what's your worth, is the price more than cash? Oh Lord, got some time, and you said you free. I got some questions, and they need answering. Like what's the point if there ain't no point? All these girls that say they ain't got no watch, so I need a coupe to drive far away. All these blessings on me, so I know I'm paid. I got dreams, believe in me, I got the keys for anything. So every week come with the ease, so don't you try and play with me.
Y'all, this hair is such good quality hair. I wish I could feel how soft it is and how much it feels like real natural hair that's been silk pressed. It is crazy how good this is. Do you all see that body and the luster? It looks amazing. I just love it so much. I love the length, the volume, the texture, and everything. Everything about this unit is just giving me life. It seriously looks like I just left somebody's salon and my hair is laid, but we don't have to worry about the damage. I can hold off a little longer in getting my hair silk pressed so that I can get my next trim, but in the meantime, I'm still able to achieve flawless, beautiful hair. Now, something that I will mention, if you have a low hairline, and I keep stressing this low hairline thing because it does make a difference regarding the install. Now, I feel like it would have looked so much better had I rounded out my wig cap when I cut it, but I cut it in the boxy shape of my hairline, so you can kind of see the wig cap a little bit, but if you round it out, it'll look so much better. Now that I've finished the side part look, you guys tell me which way do you like it better? Do you like the middle part? You like the side part? I was really feeling that side part, but both look really good. Now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when you wet this hair. Huh, so good. Y'all, all I have to say is wow, wow, wow. This unit is so bomb. I hope that you all thoroughly enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share this video with a friend. Follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. Also check the description. I have all the links and specifications provided down there. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.